Okay guys, so para pa tayo entry. So simple yan lang natin, no. So first, yun nga, tumitingin tayo sa higher time frame. And dito, ayan, so makita nyo, may mga rejection na around that area. Those are psychological support. And ayan, ang hahaba na ng buntot. So ibig sabihin may mga rejection dyan. And also, yun nga, yung mga bulls, yung mga buyers, talagang pinupush nila yung price upwards pag dumating siya sa presyong ganyan. Ayan. And also, as you can see, merong mga bullish divergence. So, ibig sabihin, the RSI, kahit na downward pressure, ayan, so pababa yan, nasa taas na yan, pababa. Pero, nawawala na sila ng puwersa. So, kaya tumataas ito ng konti yung RSI kahit na medyo bumaba yung presyo, tumataas na yung RSI kasi nawawalan na ng pressure. And ito nga guys, add din natin to, yung fundamentals. This is the main driver and the main reason why we buy or why we are on bullish mode. So, kailangan titingnan din natin yung mga economic data, yung mga news, especially yung mga breaking news. And if you are trading gold, ayan, so you should look itong mga ganitong geopolitical tension. So, kala natin wala lang, no, yung mga gera-gera na yan, mga breaking news, no, ng mga binabalita. Pero, malaki pala yung impact niya. So, gold pa lang to, no? So, hindi pa natin nakikita yung silver, yung platinum, etc. Pero, yun nga, isa to sa main driver and this is the reason why this is the main reason why we are buying and kinonfirm lang nung higher time frame natin na nagkakaroon ng bullish divergence. So ito, nandito tayo sa execution level natin sa 5-minute time frame and bullish divergence pa rin, no? So kahit na nasa lower time frame na tayo, ganun pa rin, no, nawawalan talaga ng puwersa yung mga bears or yung mga sellers. So dito naman, ginawa natin is that we identify the pattern, no? So mga reversal pattern. So itong mga reversal pattern, mas malaki yung reversal chance niya if natatapat siya dun sa mga psychological levels or sa mga major support areas. Like dito nga sa 4-3. Yan, sa 4,300 levels. So, sa 4,300 levels, there's a lot of rejections dyan. So, nag-4,280 na yan, nag-4,3 na yan, and bumabalik talaga siya pataas. So, yun nga, nagkaroon na siya ng patterns, and this one is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So, how do we trade it? Yan, draw lang tayo ng neckline dyan, itong neckline na yan. Yan, yung neckline na yan, ayan, previous support na naging resistance and multiple times dyan nagkakaroon ng rejection. Ayan, so yan yung naging basehan natin ng ating neckline, no? So it could be an inverse head and shoulder or it could be triple bottom, no? So but it remains the same. Nagkaroon siya ng ganyang formation, no, ng mga reversal pattern. And with that, what we did is that nag-iwan tayo ng mga pending orders. So those are very important na diskarte, no? So yung mga pending orders, we can do buy limits, buy stop levels, and that's what we can do. We put our buy stop levels dun sa taas ng mga resistance areas na yan. So we buy high and we close it higher. So ganun yung diskarte natin dyan sa mga breakout na yan. And true enough, ganun nga yung nangyari, no? So, at times, it could fail. May mga fake outs yan. But, it's really rewarding kapag nasabay natin itong mga ganitong breakout. So, we could be riding this early wave or early trend. Ayan. So, yung stop natin is below the last swing or below the neckline, no? Yung itong may box na yan, yung puting box na yan, yan yung neckline natin. So, we can put our stop below that or below the last swing. Ayan. And by stop level nga tayo, target natin is yung nearest resistance area, which is the 4,395 or bago mag 4,4. So, yung 4,4 na yan, Diyan din bumagsak yung gold the last week. So in-anticipate lang natin na bago mag 4-4, it could go down there. So pero it went higher. Yan, so we can take that profit or we can trail yung ating entry. So that's how we do it. And more often ginagawa natin is that we trail, pero pag okay na yung profit, so that's what 4,337 to 4395, that's $60-$70 na, so it's okay na. That's it. So that's for 0.01 lot size, so you can just multiply it depending on your lot size. So that's it. That's how we trade this one. And I hope na makasabay kayo sa mga ganitong wave, no. So I invite you sa ating Telegram community. So meron tayong link diyan sa bahay natin, and there we provide free signals and information. So I hope to see you there.